The son who forgot his father. My name is Karan. Today I have money, a big house, and a successful life in America. But deep inside, I know I lost the most important person of my life. My father. My mother died when I was only 4 years old. After that, my father raised me alone. He became both mother and father for me. He worked day and night in the fields. Sometimes he came home tired and hungry, but he still smiled at me and asked, "Did you eat, Beta?" He never bought new clothes for himself, but he always bought everything I needed. When I cried at night because I missed my mother, my father hugged me and said, "Don't cry, I am here." For him, I was his whole world. Years passed, and I started a small business in the city. My father sold many things to support my dream. In the beginning, everything went well, but slowly, my business started failing. I lost a lot of money. One day, I returned to the village and said angrily, "Papa, sell the land, we need money." But my father looked at the land quietly and said, "No, Beta, this land is your mother's memory. I cannot sell it." I got very angry. I shouted, "You care more about this land than your own son." My father stayed silent. That silence made me even more angry. After some months, my wife Neha and I moved to America. I stopped calling my father. Sometimes he called me, but I stayed busy and ignored him. My father grew old alone in that small house, but I never thought about his loneliness. Years later, I finally came back to India. As I entered the village, something felt strange. The house was silent. Then a neighbor looked at me with tears in his eyes and said, "Karan, your father passed away 3 days ago." My legs stopped moving. I ran inside the house. My father's bed was empty. His old glasses were still lying near the pillow. For the first time in my life, I felt truly alone. Then, the neighbor gave me a small cloth bag. Inside it were property papers and some money. There was also a letter written by my father. With shaking hands, I opened it. It said, "Dear Karan, if you are reading this letter, maybe I am no longer alive. I know you were angry with me because I did not sell the land. But this land was the last memory of your mother. I protected it for you. Now I am giving everything to you. Sell it if you want. Now I am not here anymore. I only wanted your love, Beta. Take care of yourself. Your father." After reading those words, I broke down crying. I hugged my father's old blanket and cried like a child. "Papa, I am sorry. Please forgive me. I was a bad son." But no answer came. That day I realized something painful. My father never stopped loving me, but I forgot the man who gave me everything. And now, I will spend my whole life missing him.